Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings, and this is Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today we are going to be doing a simple stamping card. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using the Flowering Desert stamp set. Let's bring that up so you can see it all. We are going to be using for ink, we're going to be using to 2017, 2019 in colors because they are going away. But we're going to be using them mainly. We're going to be using the Tranquil Tide, Fresh Fig, and Berry Burst, okay? What else you're going to need is you are going to need one of our Whisper White note cards, okay? And that's it. Stamp, ink, and cardstock. Stamp, ink, and paper. That's all you need. So what we're going to start with is we're going to take the big Saguaro cactus, and I am going to ink it up with Tranquil Tide. I love Saguaro cactus. Now this is a quick and easy card. And I am just going to stamp that in the center of the card. Just like that. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. There you go. I am going to take the high there and the berry, where's my berry burst? Berry burst. Oh, there's the berry burst. And I am just going to take the high there and the berry burst, and I am going to stamp that right underneath the saguaro. Doesn't it look like the saguaro is waving hi to you? And then I'm going to take the fresh fig and the little branch. Now you got a big branch and you got a little branch. I'm taking the little branch right like that. And I am just going to stamp that like almost in a circle around the corners. I just want to do that because the card looks a little bare with just the saguaro and the saying. And there you got it. You got it. That's it. So for Stampin' Camp with Mary, simple stamping, thanks for visiting and happy stamp. Oh, don't forget to follow me on YouTube, and everything you need you can order down below. Bye-bye.